Thank you for trying out LED Architect Pro. This quick start tutorial will help you understand the interface by showing you how to set up a simple LED wall. We'll cover the basics, including hardware selection and screen geometry, power distribution and pixel mapping, and how to prepare the visual wall builder. Open the app and let's get started. Once your app is open, navigate to the Engineering Inputs section on the left side of the screen, where we will add an LED cabinet and a processor. Under Hardware Selection, choose the LED product you plan to use, paying attention to pitch, followed by the LED processor specified for your project. This software has a proprietary engine built in that makes several calculations based on the individual capabilities and restrictions of the gear in our library, and an integrated signal routing engine designed to automatically plot the best mapping solution based on your job's requirements. These selections are critical as they form the foundation for every calculation in your engineering strategy. Next, define the screen geometry. Enter your horizontal and vertical cabinet counts. The status will change to complete once all required values are present. Move down to the Processor and Ports section and first confirm the bit depth and frame rate. Then review the derived capacity and per port pixel limits carefully. Beside the override, you'll select the number of processors. Below the processor quantity input field, we've recommended a number of units without redundancy turned on. You can press Auto to auto-populate or enter a number. Next is your chance to choose your redundancy strategy. Same processor and dedicated backup processor works as you'd expect. But if your redundancy strategy is based on a processor like Brompton's Tessera SX40 with multiple XD distribution units connected to the same processor, you'll select the closed-loop trunk pair. There's a whole separate video on how to set that up properly. Next, choose your zone strategy, which is the set of cabinets assigned to a port, and then port strategy, which determines path. I recommend trying different port strategies, and if you're really adventurous, try drawing your own zone strategy by choosing user-defined. In power planning, select your service phase and voltage. Confirm the maximum connected load and your safety margin before proceeding. Configure your distribution strategy by setting the power entry side and routing direction. This ensures your circuit paths are optimized for the build. Finally, generate the power map. LED Architect Pro automatically recomputes circuit assignments whenever these inputs change. Complete the remaining sections for weight, rigging, wind, and mounting method. Last sections are source configuration, including cable types, transport method, and finally, content canvas mode. When all sections are complete, select Activate Wall Builder to move into the visual layout stage. Choose a routing pattern, like snake or zigzag, then set your progression. The colored zones will show how ports are distributed across the wall. Use the cabinet inspector to check your utilization and toggle zone bounds to verify every cabinet is correctly addressed. Generate a test pattern when you're ready for commissioning. You can export the final wall image or download patterns as high-res PNG or JPG files. Your first wall is now complete. Remember to always confirm hardware specifications, verify venue power, and have an experienced civil engineer sign off on your design when there is potential for client or audience to come in contact with the wall. There is no substitute for safety. Check out our other tutorials for simple directions on how to use distribution units, like the Brompton Tessera XD series, fiber converters like the Novastar CVT series, or how to calculate custom canvas dimensions, media player outputs, and coming soon, our bill of materials module. Join our mailing list to be kept informed. We don't sell our list. We just want to share the most comprehensive set of LED engineering tools we are committed to developing. Thank you.